In this video you can learn how to create pop-up images like you see here in Elementor WordPress site. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. Let's get started with the process. First, let's set up pop-up lightbox to single images. We need to select the image section on the right side of the page. And on the left side of the page, in this Edit Image panel, we need to link the image to the media file. Here we can leave the lightbox option to the default settings, or we select Yes option. And done. We can save the changes and head to the web page to confirm the lightbox pop-up image. Similarly, we can add lightbox to every image on this site by linking it with the media file option. And next, let's see how to set up lightbox to image gallery. We need to select the gallery section. And on the left side, we need to link it to media file. Here we can leave the lightbox option to the default settings, and done. We can save the changes and head to the web page to confirm the lightbox pop-up to image gallery. You can see we are done setting up image gallery pop-up lightbox. We can set the pop-up lightbox for all the image with global settings. Here we need to select Global Settings tab. And again we need to select Lightbox tab. We can enable or disable lightbox globally for the entire site with this on and off button. We can add or change the background color for the lightbox by selecting the color here. As well, the image lightbox user interface color effects here. I hope this video is helpful to you. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please like and comment on the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added.